Hey, it's Rob and welcome to Axel's Garage. We have a great video today. I'm excited because, as you know, we've been working on the K5 and we got the big dummy behind the camera and he's zoomed in super tight because we don't want to show you what's going on, but we will show you a couple pics right now of the wrap being done and the decals being put on.
Gotta love that when the lights go out.
Alright, so now that you saw that, we were excited because we were getting pictures and some video from time to time as it was going on, and now you're going to take a look at the way this thing came out, and I really think it came out great. The big dummy thinks it came out great. We drove it from Axel's East garage where it was in, getting wrapped, and the big dummy drove it home this morning. I was behind him because we don't have any taillights or directionals or anything like that, and everyone that heard the thing coming stopped and looked at it and stared, especially all the different shops right up here on our main turnpike closest to the house. There's a lot of automotive shops, and everybody that was outside Saturday morning, everyone that was outside was just staring at it. So it's looking pretty cool, and it's not even close to being done yet. So let's take a look at how the outside came out. Alright, so we had the body work done on the truck at our buddies over there at Frame Collision, and we had some great video footage of that, but of course when our computer COVID crashed, we lost it. So what we did was had the body work done, and they primed it and they put a coat of base coat black on it just to give a good smooth surface for that wrap to adhere to well. And then we sent it over to Axel's East, and we had our wrap guy come in, and he did it at night, a couple nights. It took him about, what, 5 nights, just working nights? About 5 nights or so, a couple hours each night, and he wrapped it down. The wrap we used was, I believe the color's called khaki. We'll link it in the description below. What, Robbie, was it a 3M or was it 3M wrap? It was? Amanda's saying it was in the background. Okay, I think it was, what's the other brand? They make printer stuff. They make like labels for printers. What's that brand? They make labels and all kinds of, like, you go to Staples and everything's that brand. Avery. Avery makes a wrap also. So we don't know whether it was Avery or 3M. When I do the editing, we'll put it in the description below. We think it was called khaki. We were looking for a desert tan. Something like that, you know, that kind of, not really military, but a little military kind of look to it. And this is what Robbie was shooting for, and I think it came out great. Here's the wrap. It's got like a green tan hue to it, and it looks really good. Guy put it on nice with a lot of attention to detail. There is still a couple of little bubbles in it that is normal for a wrap, and as we go over it, we'll smooth everything out, and once the sun starts hitting it, those will disappear as well. So one of the questions that we were fighting with doing this wrap was when we did Amanda's Jeep, as you've seen in other videos, we put decals under the wrap just to sort of give it a ghost effect. So we were thinking about doing that with this, and that was our initial plan, and then instead what we wound up doing was taking satin black. He's such an asshole. Okay, so what we wound up. Alright, pay attention. I can edit. So what we wound up doing was taking satin black vehicle wrap and having, he's an asshole, and having decals made out of this satin black vehicle wrap. So you can see we left it the khaki here, and then going in, Robbie wanted some Oscar Mike, you guys assholes, wanted some Oscar Mike stars on the doors, and this is actually vehicle wrap on top of vehicle wrap, so the chances of it peeling are a lot less, because when you put regular vinyl decals on vehicle wrap, sometimes they do over time have a little bit more of a chance of lifting, especially in the corners. And then over here on the quarters, he's got these monster quarter panels. So what we did was we put some distressed American flags hanging. So we got the back panel here, all with wrap and just a little We the People accent. And then we got another distressed flag hanging down on the quarter. And then the Oscar Mike star. And it all came out really good. We do have some fingerprints on it, but we're going to get some more fingerprints on it as we start assembling. So our plan now is to start putting it all back together. We need to put new weather stripping in both doors. We need to put new window motors and regulators in both doors. We are going to use some kill mat inside the doors because these are big, noisy, carnivorous doors. So what we're going to do is we're going to come in and we're going to put some kill mat in to sort of deaden the sound of these hollow doors, and we're going to wind up doing that all over the vehicle as we move along. But we got the kill mat for today. We have the windows, the weather stripping, the regulators, all that going in. We're going to do satin black mirrors. We're going to do satin black door handles and satin black door locks, and it should give a nice accent to this truck. And we're going to make some videos as we go along. What I saved for last was the hood. The big dummy wanted a Punisher logo on the hood, and then he thought of this option and putting the blue stripe on it to support the police who are getting beat up in the current climate of the world. So that's our overview for the wrap, and I'm going to call it a wrap success. This came out really nice. We're really happy with the way it's turning a lot of heads already, and it's not even assembled yet. So as we go through the assembly process, we'll make some videos, and hope you enjoy it. Leave a comment in the description below. Let us know what you think of this wrap, and we'll put links to everything we're using in the descriptions of all the videos in this series. As always, thanks for watching.